Hello, welcome to our judo gym. My name is Ravan. I am a judo coach. Today I want to talk about judo. From Japan, we use throws and technique. Judo teaches respect and discipline. We move before and after training. People wear white or blue kimono. Judo makes the body strong and healthy. It is a sport for children and adults. I love judo. I started judo when I was a child. Judo is my sport and my work. Every day I train in this gym. I teach children and teenagers. Training is important. Judo makes you strong and confident. This is our judo team. We train her every week. We have mats on the floor. We do warm up before training. We run, jump and stretch. Then we practice throws and technique. Sometimes we do fighting practice. Sometimes we play games in the gym. These games help students learn judo. Games make this technique better. We also have special days. On these days, students have a birthday. We celebrate this birthday. This is a happy moment for them. They remember this day forever. So. That's me. Vallahi.
1, 2, 3.
Judo is not only fighting. Judo teaches respect. We say "rei" at the start and end. We move to each other. We work together. Judo is discipline, respect, and friendship. Thank you for watching. I hope you like judo. You can join our gym and train with you. See you on the mat.